Hi, I'm John Selker. I'm a professor at Oregon State University. And what we've been talking about is instrumentation for hydrologic and hydrogeophysical measurement. And the point of the real lecture boils down to a couple of key opportunities. Number one, we now have sensor systems that are very small, very low energy, and very high performance at low cost. And that allows us to do entirely new spatial distribution of measurement at many more locations than we ever have in the past. The cool thing, at the same time as we have these low-cost measurement sensors, we also have telemetry. And telemetry is the ability to communicate across large scales at low cost. Currently, for example, in Africa, we have cell phone chips that are costing us 25 cents a month to be able to communicate all the way from Africa to the cloud. And so we can now have remote locations sensed by very low-cost sensors at a very high precision and low cost. How do we package these things? At the same time that we have those two developments, we have a third development, which is three-dimensional printed designs, where we can create a design in one place, email it to someone, they can print it, and that can package up a sensor system, and then that sensor system can be suitable for deployment in the field. So we now have the ability to make measurements in enclosed equipment and ship those measurements to the cloud and take those data into our scientific models. This is essentially transforming our ability to observe the planet. And we want to accelerate this process by sharing openly these designs and these tools so that there can be co-development of instrumentation systems to better understand our world.